Okay guys, we're back for beehive number 2. This one is considerably bigger, or a little bigger. So I use more vinegar. Hope they don't come down and kill me. I can feel them hitting it's still not dead yet. This batch was extremely aggressive. I could feel them hitting the side. Look at that one. Looks like he's staring at me, like he's gonna try and remember my face. So I'm 2 for 2 on these removals, you guys. Not bad. But I'm gonna get out of here because they could have called some help. Call for backup. I don't know how these things exactly work. 30% vinegar from Home Depot or Lowe's. And get a container that you can get a top on and something you can scrape the hive down with. Because if the hive remains, another batch of bees may use it. That's how they work. Don't you guys? 2 for 2, not bad.